Where do you find peace? I find it in the comforting embrace of my city. No, not the glossy cases of niche malls, not the rumble of roller coasters, definitely not the hubbub of crowded bistros and overcrowded dance floors. This is where each one of us goes to forget the life we live. Where do you go to seep life in? I'll tell you. To the dusty lanes of the temple city, one where houses are stacked up as a mark of prosperity, not spread over acres. To colonies, dwellers of which bask in the morning sunshine at 7 in the morning, chatting up to everyone in the range of 6 to 60. To crossroads where fashion is at best familiar to dhotis and towels wrapped around. To a narrow street slim to a trickle by pot-bellied hawkers and vendors with pots. To neighbors you can't really tell families apart in. Everyone is someone to everyone else. To people with dreaming eyes and dropping shoulders. Being an element in their own. In the colors that make my rustic city so vibrant. I rush to edge walls of thousand shift temples and the cacophony of hearts. To poorly planned alleys and shops that smell like sandalwood and camphor. They are always so busy, so loud, so much. But you see, in that comforting noise, better than a billion silences, I find my peace there and then.
यूपी के बढ़िया कुछ नहीं, घंटा कुछ नहीं मिलता भाई, घंटा कुछ मिलता। रोने के बाद ये मिला। अरे हम पता है कौन सा लास्ट खरीदे थे, MI Note 4, हाँ 11th में। उसके बाद लेंगे करके पता नहीं कैसे तो किस्मत जाग गया। हम बोलते पापा 70 लेने का। बोलो नहीं, इससे पहले
बुला उसको। मौसा एडिट क्या नहीं भी की मौसा
निकल लौड़े।
अरे यार अभी भी नहीं। अरे भाई खतरनाक स्ट्रक्चर है इधर। देखना
स्टार्ट।